Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I noticed that I did not record a proper intro and a proper outro. So what I did want to say was welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for returning. This will be part 2 of the same exact day of when we arrived. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy. Keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I hope y'all can see, but I've changed into my bathing suit. Am I the only one? I like to wear underwear and a bra when I go swimming all the time, even if I'm on my period or not. So I'm about to go swimming, and with any virgin hair, you always have to put conditioner on, especially if you know you're getting into like chlorine or something. You always want to put conditioner on your hair so that it won't dry out. So hey y'all, I just switched cameras. I do not know how to turn off this lamp, but I just switched cameras. Hopefully y'all can still see me. No, this camera sucks ass. And I'm sorry about that, but I'm trying my best. My brother's birthday. Just got finished putting conditioner in my hair so my hair won't dry out. And this hair that I have in, excuse the closure and the way it looks, I really deeply apologize. I just haven't had time to take out the sewing. I got a botched sewing. Seriously, it was botched. But yeah, my sewing was botched, but I haven't had time to take it out because I've been busy. But yeah, I feel like I had a hole in my clothes, but of course I do because I have netting, like my pants are netted.
Oh, you can record it?
Yeah.
I thought like it was just pictures and that's it.
No, it's a recording. Oh, look at my brother's little room. Cute.
Alright.
Cookies. Jeez. Oh, you really do have like a vent here.
And I get the air faster than you.
Look at this.
I could just get up at night like it was good.
So we need to try to figure out how we're getting to the pool because I'm ready to go. In the pool. That's why I bought this camera. Look at
me one more
the
time.
outdoor view.
Just look up. Let's have them beneath you. Reset.
What? I'm so lost. Anyway, I got so scared that I was about to walk off the stairs. You ain't see how like I flinched hard.
You fall. It's your ass.
Like this is why I could not stay up here. Look at these stairs and they're so tight, and I got a lot of booty and a lot of stomach, a lot of hips, a lot of everything.
I can get down it pretty easily.
So I am not trying to do that. But yeah. Ooh. Yeah. This is our fridge. We had Moe's. I guess this is what they give you. Disposable everything. No, they did not, honey. A miniature palm olive, which is a dish detergent.
That's for
Some macros. Paper towels.
we got.
Oh, I hope that wasn't bleach.
We don't got.
No.
We
We got beef sticks here.
got refrigerator.
We have mad snacks, y'all. Crazy. We have so many snacks. Oh, we got some playing cards, thank God. Oh, yeah, I showed them that already. Oh, I didn't show the freezer. It's in the freezer. We got soda, juice, chicken, ice, my Arizona. Hoo-hoo.
The thing is, we don't have like no cups or.
Oh, this is disinfectant spray. You gotta spray this on your bed. And then we got some bleach stuff down, like before we cook and stuff like that. And then I got some more Moe's. What's in here? Oh, this is my popcorn. Y'all, I made plantains this morning, and my mother was rushing me. And I just put them in a paper towel and threw them in the bag with my chips. And long story short, they weren't sweet enough, but they turned yellow. That makes sense. Like, they were a yellowish color, and they were about to turn, like, black. And normally by then it's, like, kind of somewhat slimy. Yeah.
I got like 2 sheets.
Oh, honey.
I'm about to be out here late.
But they're not that sweet. They're like potatoes. It tastes like...
Plantains are basically potatoes.
No, they're like bananas. They don't even taste like
They
bananas.
look like bananas, but they're technically their own fruit.
Yeah. What are you talking about? Alrighty. We're leaving
We going
now.
out to the pool, bitches.
We're going to the pool. I should have got some damn shades. Zay, go answer the phone. Did you lock the door? Nigga.
It started when I left the house. Oh shit, I don't got the key.
I got one. So, I'm going to...
Oh, that's a big motherfucker.
Why would you scratch me? Like, why?
I need to cut these. But Mom forgot to bring the no-till clippers. Because she was supposed to cut them.
Just scratch the shit out of my skin.
Fuck your skin. Wait, what kind of car they're gonna be in?
I don't even know.
Let's
I
hope
can
it's not
low-key
that-
smell
let's
the
hope it's not
chlorine.
that
I can
voice
smell
thing.
chlorine. Just look to your left. Like a weirdo. Look to your left.
If you look to your left, you will see rocks, dirt, cars.
Right. This is what our view from the outside. I think I don't see our room, but this is what it looks like out here. It looks like I'm moving mad fast, but I'm really not on my stream. I wonder what the quality look like once I really start editing the video. Because, you know, always on the cameras, the quality looks weird.
Look at my towel. Look at my towel.
What it says, Nerf.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh,
What's your
there's
towel?
the shuttle.
You
You
sure?
see the, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You see it right there? It's coming. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
It's coming.
Yeah, I think that's our shuttle. Oh, no. This. Oh my God. What?
And I hope that motherfucker heard me. You saw
I
how
just
he looked at us?
wanna
And
go.
you were standing here by yourself.
What? My mom's like, let's go. Our rental is so nice. So pretty. Pop this door open. Get in.
You left the map.
I left a oil thing for my cocoa oil.
It's somewhere over here.
Yeah, it is. I seen it on the map though.
Same.
Ask him, do you know where the map of the pool is? Every black person know where a pool is. Look like he just came from the pool and you still drove past him. Look at him. Finally made it to the little
I wonder what their
pool.
mothers would say
We
to that.
finally made it to the pool. Indoor pool? We're going to do the indoor pool today. It don't look like that many people. I'm sorry, y'all. I got mad stuff in my hands. Oh, it's nice and hot in here. So many people outside. Look at all them people out there.
Yeah, so I like to go outside. So it can be like a little pool also.
If you want to, okay then. Alright. Oh, it looks way better without this thing. That's why the screen was looking crazy. Do you want to get in? He said me looking like he never seen black people before. You ready to get in? You gonna get in?
I'm gonna get in a bit, but let me just get.
Let's go. Let's just.
No, Zai, just sit down. Get cool down.
Zahir, come on.
I'm not jumping.
Stand up. No.
I'm not jumping.
It's not really jump. You just plunge down in there. Go ahead. Is it cold? Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
Kinda.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
I almost fell.
I'm getting scared. Like, and it's only 5 feet. But my whole thing is I'm 5'1", so I'm only
standing. Flat foot.
Okay, but you. I'm gonna go with my goggles. I'm gonna in my nose. Bitch, I couldn't swim. I want my goggles so that I can go in the water. I'm so happy I put conditioner in my hair. Ooh. Shit, I'm surprised that it didn't make the water.
She just gonna drop. Then she dropped in the water. I ain't going down. Fuck that. You ready?
Look at these people walking. Squeeze me. This place was so. That jump was dirty. You like I don't know. I don't know if y'all ever noticed that, but I get like really bad heebie-jeebies if something isn't like clean, like as far as the bed. I don't know. I just can't.
That wasn't my bed. It was
I don't know, maybe it was just the old looking comforters. It reminded me of some people like they house. I don't know, it's just mentally like some people got OCD with certain things.
Yeah, a lot of people bring their own blankets, their own pillows and stuff like that. My thing, that wasn't my main issue. My main issue is when I started seeing blood.
Yeah, I know this girl looking at me like, what is she doing? But
there's so many cars
yeah, like this place is absolutely dirty. I don't understand what's going on here, but it's very dirty.
Advertisement.
It's very dirty.
Stop.
What?
Okay,
Yeah, because they're attracted to light. It's talking about some bugs up here. It's so disgusting.
Oh.
Like I just think this place is just overall disgusting. I don't like anything other than like 5-star restaurants, 4 or 5-star restaurants. I mean restaurants, 4 or 5-star hotels, because they have like the clean white sheets. You can actually see what you getting in the bed on and stuff like that. Like them older motels, well not motels, or even hotels and things like this, is just so disgusting to me because you don't know what you're getting in the bed on, what you're laying on. It's just, especially when the covers look old and dingy, it's just like, ugh. What?
If you so bad, why you so using a towel?
Because my hair is wet. I want my shirt to be like, I don't know. I guess I'll use stuff that's white because you can actually see it. Like that's why when they make jokes like, if you want to know if you dirty, wash your ass with a white washcloth. You can actually see the dirt. But it's like, and I know like even at 4 or 5-star restaurants you have more of a chance to get bed bugs than like at a motel and stuff. But I just feel like with bed bugs you can see them.
How can you see bed bugs?
You can. And if it's dirty, you can see it. Because like I was saying, it's dirty.
I want my money back so I can go.
I would rather. That's what I'm saying too. Like I low key want to go back home.
Shit, fuck that. Just throw that party and colder than that shit.
Yeah.
I don't care.
I don't know. We really wanted to come on a vacation so bad, but
hey, now I'm actually just pissed off now.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, leave me a comment down below. You know, what was a good vacation? Have you ever had that experience where you've been to a hotel where it wasn't clean? What did the hotel do? Like, I want to know. You know what I'm saying? Because they had us twisted if they thought we were sleeping in that damn room with all of that nastiness. No. So let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know the next time that I post. So I cannot wait to see you guys again for well, that will technically be part 3, but it should have been part 2. But girl, I see y'all when I see y'all.